Nobody cares about you, and that's on period. In my own, which doesn't. I don't even know what to say. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Eva. Hi, welcome. My channel, I give you YouTube tips and tricks, how you can better create content, beauty videos, amongst other content like hair tutorials whenever I feel cute. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 things I wish I knew before I started my YouTube channel, because there are a lot, but I'm just going to be talking about 5, just so this video is not so lengthy. So if you want to know the 5 things that I wish I knew before I started my channel, please watch this video to the end, and I'll definitely be seeing you after this break. The first thing I wish I knew before I started my YouTube channel is that
nobody cares.
And that's on period. Let me say, I actually knew that nobody cared, but man, nobody cares because you are not a known name yet. Now you only have to be your self-motivator. You have to be determined. You have to do a whole lot of things on your own, because nobody cares aside your family and your very close friends. You really want to strive very, very hard very, very hard to like make yourself known. So if you think because you have started your channel and everybody will be flocking, guy, have everything. Why do you think that all these channels that are just starting out, their very first video that they put up is Q&A, and when you look at those videos, they don't have views at all? Why? Because nobody knows you and nobody wants to know you, except you have a very huge following on Instagram or on other social media platforms, and then you use that following to open your YouTube channel and you start with a Q&A. Then and only then would you get a whole lot of views, because they're going to push the traffic from your other social media platforms onto this one. But aside that, if you do not have a following on any other social media platform and you come on YouTube and your very first video is a Q&A, I'm sorry if you do not get a lot of views. Something else I wish I knew when I started my YouTube channel is that I wish I knew sub for sub doesn't work. Like, guys, take it from me, if you're doing that thing, that thing is as dumb as any other thing that I know of. It look like it's working at first, but baby girl, believe me when I say it isn't. It's not working. This thing hurts your channel so bad that you might get stuck, and nobody wants to be stuck. First they say you need to sub for sub, yeah? Okay, that's fine. Next thing they'll say you need to watch at least 30 seconds to 1 minute for YouTube to be able to recognize it as a view. But then you wake up every day with less subscribers than when you slept. You wake up every day without your views or your watch time increasing. It's just there. People don't watch it. Your audience retention at a point would look like it's non-existent, because YouTube will say like, okay, this person, people do not actually remain on their videos because of those people that are watching your videos for just 30 seconds to 1 minute. People need to watch your video for at least a bit longer for your audience retention rates to increase. If not, it would be non-existent, and we need engagement on your videos. So believe me when I say sub for sub does not work. This method does not do jack for you. Another thing I wish I knew earlier when I started my channel was I wish I knew that uploading videos with cards and end screens mean a lot. Like when I started earlier, I didn't know what all those were all about. I didn't know what cards were. I didn't know what end screens were, and actually I didn't care. I actually did not care. I thought all I had to do was upload a video and boom. Well, my fantasy was short-lived, and here we are. If you do not know what cards and end screens are notifications that appear in your video on the left top corner. Is it? Where is left? On the, is this I think is here on the left top corner, or is it the right, of your video, which you can set up to promote your brand and or other videos on your channel, other content on your channel. A card is basically a link like this. This is a card, while an end screen is an end screen, as the name implies. It's the last 20 seconds of your video that has clickable videos that are on your channel. Once you upload your video and it's on public, immediately it goes live. People are already watching your video, but then they won't be able to see your cards or your end screens. Why? Because you can only add end screens and cards after your video has been published, right? What I later realized was I could actually set my video to upload as private or unlisted, which gives me ample time to like add all the ingredients, add all the sweetness that I want to on that particular video before it actually becomes public. So once I make my video public after adding all these things, my viewers can now see my cards and my end screens. I mean, it would have helped me a lot. I wish I knew this. This would have helped me like a whole lot when I started, but no worries. Something else I wish I knew earlier when I started was I wish I knew I could schedule posts. Now there are 4 types of uploads that you can do. You can either leave them on private, unlisted, schedule, or you can make them public. Now when you schedule your posts, you can pick dates as to when you want those posts to go live. Now you can make a lot of videos and then schedule them up until whenever. It depends on how many videos you have. So you just schedule them, and on that set date they would go live. This would have helped my consistency game. Like I would have been on another level. Now that I know, let me just say that I actually schedule all my posts, I make my videos, and then I edit them and I set them up to be scheduled. I schedule them to like whenever I want them to go live. It reduces the stress I would have to go through just to start uploading. What if it doesn't connect? What if the network is actually poor at that set time? So whenever you have the time, just schedule your post and it will go live when that time comes. I wish I knew this because girl, oh my god. Anyways, let's just move on. Another thing I wish I knew when I started my YouTube channel was I wish I knew I had to have 4,000 watch time and 1,000 subscribers. Now I actually knew this because I did a whole lot of research when I was about to start my channel. So I actually knew about this, but I didn't think it was going to be this hard. Seriously. Now let me break this down. 1,000 subscribers, self-explanatory, you understand what that is. Now for 4,000 watch time, you need, let me just use this example. If you have like say a 10-minute video and you have 6 people that watch the whole 10 minutes video all through to the end, you just have 1 hour. You just go 1 hour. Now you need to do this for 4,000 hours. Go and calculate. Now you know the math. It's a big deal. That's a big deal, right? So it's really hard, because this is one of the criteria for you to be able to become monetized on YouTube and for you to be able to join the YouTube partner program. Except you want to post a 1-minute video 240,000 times. That is the only way you can achieve this 4,000 hours in a very short period of time, which doesn't even make sense. It doesn't. You cannot post 240,000 videos. If I say I didn't know about it, then I'll be lying. I actually knew about it, but I didn't know it was going to be this hard. Let me just drop a bonus point here. In fact, before I even started, I knew this, but let me just give it out to you that I would suggest that you focus on quality and not quantity. Focus on the quality of your videos, your thumbnails, your backdrop, your lighting, your audio. Actually put in the effort to like make good videos instead of posting anything that looks really lazy just because you want to stay consistent. It doesn't work that way. You need to put in the effort to like put out good videos and try to be consistent with that. You can definitely bulk record. You can record 3 to 5 videos in a day or 2 videos in a day. Whatever your capability is, you can actually do this and then schedule them, and this will definitely help with your consistency game. With that being said, I guess we are done with this video. I'll be putting out another video with 5 more things I wish I knew before I started my YouTube channel. But until then, if you guys have any other content that you want me to put out on this channel, let me know in the comments. Turn on post notifications, smash the like button, and definitely subscribe to this channel. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time. Bye.